So this didn't work so great. As the resin cured, it pulled everything into the middle. So now I think I'm going to have to sand this off and do another coat because that looks horrendous. But I really like this mold. I love the look of it. I'm just not at all happy with how the wave turned out. Maybe the key is to blow it off the edge so that the white pulls off and then it can't pull back in. I don't know. I didn't do that because I didn't want to blow it off the edge, but that may have been my mistake. So now these all need sanding. It's very disappointing. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I take 2 steps forward and 3 back. That one's got a piece of shell sticking up. I don't know. Sand that off with the top coat. Oh, I just love this coaster though. I love, love, love it. I can see those being big sellers at the craft fair. I signed up for a craft fair in November. My first one. We'll see how it goes. So, make a lot of these. They would actually make cute Christmas tree ornaments too for an ocean themed tree. All right, well that's it for now.